Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports ESIM and is updated. This avoids activation errors later. Once done, turn on Wi-Fi and plug in if the battery is low so the process won't stop. Next, open Settings and tap Cellular. Choose Add Cellular Plan to start. If you have a carrier QR code, choose Scan QR. If you received an activation code or will use the carrier app, select that path instead and follow on-screen prompts carefully. You now add the ESIM details and configure how the line behaves. After scanning the QR or entering the activation code, wait for the carrier to validate. This can take a minute. Once the plan appears, label it so you can tell primary versus secondary quickly, and choose which line handles cellular data and iMessage. Make sure to set voice and data defaults for calls and cellular usage, and enable data roaming if you plan to use the line abroad. Those choices control billing and connectivity. You finish by confirming the ESIM is active. Go to Settings Cellular and verify the new plan shows a signal and carrier name. If it doesn't, restart the iPhone to refresh network settings. This often resolves provisioning delays. Make sure the carrier app shows activation or contact support with the iXid if issues persist. Finally, remove any old ESIM profiles only after the new plan is fully working so you don't lose service. This prevents accidental downtime and preserves your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.